So, good morning to everyone. Welcome to today's online class. In the last session, we have seen textual grammar, and today we will be seeing the exercise on fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions. Please open your textbook and get ready. I shall wait for 5 seconds. We have got 46 participants only out of 75. So the other day we have seen like adjectives or adverbs going with preposition. I mean, which adjective is suitable to be used with which kind of preposition. That we have seen. And today we shall see two bits. One is about fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions, and the other one would be regarding usage of simple past and past perfect. We shall see after this. Right? So let's start now. So fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions. All last winter, Sharath dash cough and cold. So Sharath suffered from. So generally, when you are suffering from something or when you are having some health issues, you have to say that I am suffering from fever, okay, or I am suffering from cold. No with. Don't say that I am suffering with fever. It's you are supposed to say I am suffering from cold or I am suffering from fever. Here, all last winter, Sharad suffered from. So answer would be from. So please, if you have a pencil, please write the answer in your textbook. Anand is unaccustomed to the heat. The answer is unaccustomed to the heat. Two. Two is the preposition to be used there. Kumar was afraid of his enemies. The answer is Kumar was afraid of his enemies. Okay. Kumar was afraid of his enemies. Sriram was always arguing with his brother. Answer is fifth. Sriram was always arguing with his brother. Sindhu was dedicated to her job. Sindhu was dedicated to her job. Sindhu was dedicated to her job. That is the fifth one. Priyanka was shocked at the hatred they had shown. Priyanka was shocked at the hatred they had shown. I said to you, this is two. Seventh one, first blank is two. I said to you, I am thinking. Thinking, you can write in two ways now. I am thinking about going to America or I am thinking of. Okay. I am thinking of you can write or you can write about. Any of the two. Either of the two you can write. I said to you, I am thinking to go to America or I am thinking about going to America. I have actually dreamt of it. I have actually dreamt of it. I have actually dreamt of it. And eighth one, I wanted to I wanted to talk to the group. To the group. The answer is I wanted to talk to the group. Okay. Ninth one. I was terrified at her. I was terrified at her. I was terrified at her is the answer. I was terrified at her. Tenth one, I have always been terribly fond of you. I have always been terribly fond of you. Okay, I had always been terribly fond of you. So I will repeat the answers of 1 to 10 once again. So please, last winter, Sharad suffered from coughs and cold. Anand is accustomed to the heat. Kumar was afraid of his enemies. Sriram was always arguing with his brother. Sindhu was dedicated to her job. Priyanka was shocked at the hatred. At the hatred they had shown. I said to you, I am thinking about or I am thinking of going to America. I have actually dreamt of it. The eighth one, I wanted to talk to the group. Okay, I was terrified at her. I have always been terribly fond of you. So these are the answers. So please, if you have a pencil, make a note of them. Let's go further from 11th. Fine. Yeah. If you continue to support someone who is in trouble, you are loyal to them. Answer is you are loyal to them. If you continue to support someone who is in trouble or who are in trouble, you are loyal to them. The next one, if you don't understand any of these words, you could refer to a dictionary. Don't say you could refer in a dictionary. Check the meaning in the dictionary, we can say. But when you say refer, refer to. Okay. Principal has referred to so and so, or the case was referred to CBI investigation. Refer to. Okay. If you don't understand any of these words, you could refer to a dictionary. And 13th one, it wasn't his car. In fact, I don't know who it belongs to. Who it belongs to. My problems are very similar to yours. The answer is 2. My problems are very similar to yours. People started to shout at the driver, not on the driver or in the driver. People started to shout at the driver. She had always been bad at languages. She's good at languages, or she had always been bad at languages. Don't say, now see, you are not supposed to say like in mathematics or in science. You're supposed to say it. She's good at mathematics, or she's good at science, or she's good at biology. Okay, so the answer is it. And 17th one, she listened. She listened to me and then told me about her problems. About. Okay. She listened to me and then she told me about her problems. The accident sadly resulted in the death of a man. In the death of a man. The accident suddenly resulted in the death of a man. The buses are often late, so you can't depend on them. So you can't depend on them. You cannot depend on parents after reaching certain age. Okay, so buses are often late, so you can't depend on them. And they may feel jealous of your success. They may feel jealous about your success, or they may feel jealous of your success. Either of the answers you can write. They may feel jealous of your success. Right? So these are the answers. Clear? Now next one. Read the following paragraph and notice the use of the past perfect and simple past. What is past perfect and simple past? Simple past is an action which is completed in the past, okay, where specific time or place is mentioned. Whereas past perfect is an action which is completed before starting one more action in the past. For example, I had eaten my breakfast and I took class. I took class will be simple past and the earlier action will be told in past perfect. I had taken my class, or I had taken my breakfast, or the students have listened to my class. Okay, the students listened to my class yesterday, or the student listened to my class in the morning, or the students listened to the class an hour ago. Simple past, you will mention the time of the action when it is done, and even you will specify the place only. But in past perfect, you will not mention. Let us see this one. As all the actors had taken their positions, the curtain rose. So this is the prior action and this is the later action. They started acting as the director had asked them to. The audience enjoyed the play very much. The hero kicked the comedian since the comedian had done mischievous things. The musician fell off his chair after the comedian had fallen on him. The power went off after the musician had landed on the cables. There was darkness and silence everywhere. After a while, two persons in the audience started a conversation. So here we have this exercise regarding simple past and past perfect. So some sentences are given in simple past, some are given in past perfect. Okay. Prior action, earlier action will be expressed in present perfect. Okay. Later action will be told in simple past. Now let us see in this exercise. Okay. Fine. Read the following conversation and fill in the blanks with the appropriate verb forms. That is either in past perfect or simple past. Now this is a conversation which is happening between Sharath and Bar. Let's see what is the conversation about. Oh, what? Dash everything. Oh, what happened? Answer is what happened? Everything had been disturbed before the play came to an end. I repeat the answers. Oh, what happened? Everything had been disturbed. Oh, what happened? Everything had been disturbed before the play came to an end. Next. Damn it. The play was very interesting. The play was very interesting. The play was very interesting. Someone on the stage had done something. Someone on the stage had done something. Someone on the stage had done something when the hero threw him off. When the hero threw, THREW. When the hero threw him off. Next, Sharath, I too saw it. I too saw it. It was a comedian. The hero hurled him since he had done a mischievous thing. I repeat, I too saw it. It was a comedian. Okay. The hero hurled, H-U-R-L-E-D, hurled him since he had done some mischievous thing. Since he had done. Bharat, how disgusting. I dashed 100 before I had paid. I had paid. Answer is I had paid 100 rupees before I entered this theater. Everything had become a chaos. Chaos means disturbance. Where was the director? Answer is where was the director? Had he tried to set things right before the audience started leaving? Before the audience started leaving. Where was the director? Had he tried to set things right before the audience started leaving? It would have been nice. The electrician restored the power before the audience had left. Before the audience had left. The electrician had restored. The electrician had restored. Sorry, the electrician had restored the power before the audience left. Left is a later action, and electrician had restored the power. Restored means bring back. I mean, he was able to fix the electric problem. The electrician had restored the power before the audience left. Thank God, at last the play resumed. Thank God, at last the play resumed. Okay. Now we have editing. Let's see editing also. Okay. So the Indian film industry had witnessed sweeping changes not in the past 100 years, for the past 100 years. The Indian film industry, you are supposed to replace this in with fur. Okay, the Indian film industry had witnessed sweeping changes for the past 100 years. It started off with Mookie films. It started off OFF. Okay, you are supposed to write OFF here, not OFF. It is OFF. It started off with Mookie. Mookie means mute. Okay, I mean we can't speak. Only actions will be done. Even then, people like this new form of entertainment. There were, there was not, there were. So plural. several intervals, intervals is plural, so there where. Was must be replaced with where. This was must be replaced with where. Okay. Was must be replaced with where. Several intervals in the film show because of a single projector. So they were having a single projector. There were n number of intervals. Okay, they are where. Later the technological changes. Yeah, technological changes. Correct only, no? Technological changes made a talkie films possible. Made talkie films possible. Made a talkie films possible. A theater of those days is like a rice mill. This type of theater this type of theaters. This type of theaters. Okay, this type of theaters. Where theaters? You are supposed to use here. Yes, this type of theaters were called touring talkies. This type of theaters. Okay. Right. Theaters were called touring talkies. But these didn't tour. Tour means to move from one place to other place. They will not move. There were bamboo screens to serve. Okay. To serve, not to serve. No E. To serve the purpose of walls of the modern theater. Cut shows were a luxury in those days. In those days. Okay. Cut shows were a luxury in those days. It's not all, it's wrong actually. Okay, have you ever watched them? Have you ever watched them? Have you ever watched them? Now the modern theater is completely different. Now the modern theaters are completely different. Now the modern theaters are. Modern theaters are. Theaters is given no, so you have to write are. The modern theaters are completely different. Multiplexes with DTS, 3D and 4D at the present are a present reality. I will repeat the answers once again. First one is per. Second one is started off. Then it was a theater of those days was okay technological changes, and then this type of theaters were called. This type of theaters were called. This type of theaters here were called, and there was bamboo sticks screens to serve the purpose. Cut shots were a luxury in those days. Have you ever watched them? Watched ed must be added, and the theater, the modern theaters were okay. Theaters were completely different. Theaters were sorry. The modern theaters are. We're talking about present, no? The modern theaters are. This is are completely different with DTS, 3D and 4D are a present reality. So this is the thing. Okay. I'll stop the share. Okay. So we have done only 2 bits. I also have little cold. We will stop the session. Anyone has anything to say, you can please unmute and say.
Sir, can you